Good. Now, once again, Subhan, read this image for me.
Okay. Two intersecting line AB and CD.
Subhan, stop. Subhan, stop. Tanishka, read this for me.
Two parallel lines AB and CD intersected by PS. No. Ma'am, should I say from starting?
Yes, please, no problem.
Two parallel lines AB and CD intersected by transversal PS, two distinct points Q and R.
Thank you. Ranveer, please read this diagram for me.
Two parallel lines AB and CD intersected by a transversal PS at distinct points Q and R.
Okay, thank you. Pranav, please read this for me. Pranav, open your mic, open your video, be in class. Pranav. Okay, Subhan.
Okay. Two parallel lines AB and CD intersected by a transversal PS at a distinct point QR.
Distinct points.
Distinct points QR.
QR will become line. How will you say a point? How will you read a point?
Q and R.
Q and R. This is Q and R. Okay. So are we right when we say this? Parallel lines AB and CD are intersected by transversal PS at two distinct points of Q and R.
Yes.
Now, are these the correct angles I have mentioned here? Tanishka.
Ma'am, first one is correct. Second one is also correct. Third one is also correct. Yes, ma'am, they are correct. They are, yes, they are correct.
They are all correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ranveer, can you tell me if these are correct?
Yeah. First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Yes, all are correct.
Okay. Good. Pranav. Corresponding angles. Can you check and tell me if they are correct?
Ma'am, ma'am, when I talk, no, ma'am, I started coughing.
You start coughing. Okay. So don't
that,
talk. Open your video and just give me a thumbs up if they are correct.
ma'am, yes.
We are waiting.
Ma'am, he has get fever again.
Yeah. He's having medicines, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, first one is correct.
Okay.
Second one is also correct.
Yeah.
The third one is also correct. Fourth one is also correct.
So these are all correct. Subhan, do you know to identify alternate interior angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Check.
B, Q, R. First one is correct.
Okay. Others, pay attention here. Ranveer, move back and sit.
B, Q, R. Ma'am, second one is also correct.
Pakka?
Yes.
Ranveer, can you tell me if exterior alternate angles are correct here?
Yes. PQA.
Move back and sit, honey. The screen is so big. Move back.
Yes, ma'am. All are correct.
Sure.
Yes.
PQA
Yes.
and DRS. PQB and CRS. Right? Pranav, can you tell me this last one? Consecutive interior angles. Pranav, in your submissions, you keep giving me consecutive exterior angles. And I keep telling you consecutive exterior angles nahi hote hain. Consecutive means अगल बगल में, पास पास. तो वो सिर्फ इधर और इधर हो सकते हैं. But इधर and इधर, they are not consecutive. Consecutive means अगल बगल में. This angle and this angle is not next to each other, so we cannot have consecutive exterior angles. Yes, tell me.
First
wala
one is correct.
So you mean to say AQR and QRC, these are
Yes.
interior consecutive angles, okay?
DQ. Q. And third one is also correct.
Third, which third one?
Sorry, second one.
Okay, all right, everybody, let's do this now. Go take a break, 2 minutes, wash your eyes, come back. We are going to have a quick test. Chalo, go wash your eyes and come back. Quick test. Start. Only those whose turn it is will answer. The others will really respect the fact that the other person is making an attempt to answer. I will decide how much time I have to give to that person. So others, be quiet. You all can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm attempting two parallel lines. Two parallel lines, AB and CD. Transversal PS, distinct points Q and R. Intersecting at distinct points Q and R. Okay? They are parallel
Yes.
lines AB and CD. Tanishka,
Yes,
take out your
ma'am.
notebook.
Yes.
Open your mic, take out your notebook. Others, be quiet. Even if you raise your hand, I'm not giving you your turn until I'm done with her. Okay? Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
ready? You have your notebook with you?
Yes.
Others can go solving along with her, but she is the only one who will give the answer right now. Others, shush. You will get your turn. Okay? Now, Tanishka, the way I
Yes,
explained in the
ma'am.
previous class, okay? This angle measures 65 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
Angle PQB measures 65 degrees. You can see the screen properly, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this angle measures 65 degrees. Tanishka, give me the corresponding angle to PQB.
Ma'am, it's QRD.
Excellent. And what is the measure of QRD?
Ma'am, 65 degree.
Okay, very good. And why is it same?
Corresponding angles are always equal.
Thank you very much, my dear. Good job. You have one more question from me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
this angle
Mm.
is 110. Tell me
Yes.
the interior alternate angle to this. Angle QRC is 110. Okay. Tell me the interior alternate angle to QRC.
Angle BQR.
This one.
Yes.
What is the measure?
110.
Why?
Interior alternative angles are always equal.
Very good. You are done. Good job. Fine. Thank you. I'm going to Ranveer. Ranveer. The measure for this angle is 120. The measure for this angle is 120. Give me the exterior alternate angle to this one.
DRS.
Repeat.
DRS.
You mean this one?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the measure?
120.
Why?
Because alternate exterior angles are always same.
Always?
Equal.
Okay. This angle is 120. What is the vertically opposite angle to this one?
Ma'am, PQR. BQR. B for ball. BQR.
Thank you. Thank you for explaining it that way. That's good. Okay. So you're mentioning this one, right? What is
Yes.
the measure of this angle?
120.
Why is it same?
Because vertically opposite angles are always equal.
Okay. Thank you. Close your mic, Ranveer. Pranav, can you speak? Will you be able to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much. Pranav, this angle measures 110.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the corresponding angle to this one.
Ma'am, what is the distinct point? Second one.
Oops, days.
Ma'am, R. What is the last one? Transversal.
You can't see? Oh, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Ma'am, RSD.
RSD.
Yes.
You mean to say there will be an angle forming like this?
QRD.
Sorry.
QRD.
You mean this one?
QRD.
You mean this one?
Yes.
QRD. Oh, sorry. You mean this one? This one?
No. Ma'am, RSD.
RSD. So you mean there's an angle going to form like this here?
Yes.
An angle will form like this here. Here. This will be corresponding to this one. Subhan, keep your finger away from the phone. Okay, Pranav, I'll repeat my question. I'm going to give you a bit of leverage because you are unwell, but you're still in the class. Good job. My question. This is BQR measuring 110. Give me the corresponding angle to BQR.
Ma'am, DRS.
Did you say BRS?
DRS.
DRS, you mean this one?
Yes.
Okay. What is the measure here then?
110.
Why is it same?
Corresponding angles are always the same, equal.
Thank you. One more question to you. Name any two interior angles.
Ma'am, AQR,
AQR, okay.
BQR.
BQR, okay. Okay, good, good. Thank you very much. Go have some hot water and then lie down for some time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Really appreciate it. Really. Please put off your mic and relax for some time. Subhan, are you ready? Subhan, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. This angle measures 60. That's angle AQR measures 60. Give
Yes.
me the interior alternate angle to this one.
AQR. DRS.
DRS, this one?
Yes.
You mean this is the interior alternate angle?
No. Sorry, no. It is exterior. QRD.
QRD. You mean this one?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the interior alternate angle?
Yes.
Very good. What is the measure?
60
Why?
degrees. Ma'am, because interior alternate, the angles are always equal.
Okay, good. If this is 60 degrees, can you
Yes.
help me find the corresponding angle to this one?
Okay, wait.
Angle AQR is 60. Help me find the corresponding angle to this one.
Yes, I'm thinking. No, it will corresponding is ma'am, I think CRS.
CRS. Okay, what will be the measure?
60 degrees.
Why?
Ma'am, because corresponding angles are always equal.
Thank you. That's good job by everybody so far. Looks like you all have understood this concept. Now next. Runway. Where are the other people in the class? Oh, waiting. Okay. Subhan, put off your mic. Ranveer, open. Sorry, Tanishka, open your mic. Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka. Okay. Tanishka, if this is 40, what is this?
Angle ADC is 140.
Why?
180 minus 40.
180 minus 40. But why is this 180?
Because that full point is 180. Yes, that.
What do you call it?
What, ma'am?
What do you call it, my dear?
Supplementary angle.
Correct?
Yes.
So you must mention that. If you're going to do 180 minus another angle, then you must mention that this angle is equal to 180 minus 40 because this
It
angle
is-
and this angle are supplementary angles and hence it is 180. Okay, all right, no worries, no issues. Ranveer, your turn. Ranveer, if this measures 30, what is the measure of this one?
30.
Why?
Because vertically opposite angles are always equal.
So if this measures 30, I agree. What will be the measure for this one?
Yes, ma'am, 150.
How did you get that?
Ma'am, 180 minus 30.
Okay. Why are you doing 180 minus 30?
Ma'am, because it is a supplementary angle.
Which one? Name the angles that are supplementary here.
Sorry. BOA.
BOA is an angle? BOA, is this an angle?
No.
What's this? This is a straight line.
Ma'am, a non-angle measure 180.
What?
Ma'am, none of the angles measure 180.
None of the angles measure 180. Of course, none of the angles by themselves measure 180. You told me this is 150 and you said this is 150 because it is 180 minus 30.
30.
Now my question to you is, why are you doing 180 minus 30 to find this angle?
Ma'am, because it is a supplementary angle. Ma'am,
Which and which are supplementary angles? That's what I'm asking you.
ma'am, a straight line. No.
Okay, I'm going to pass the question. Pranav, can you help here? Can you help Ranveer achieve his answer?
Ma'am, I cannot talk because I am feeling like vomiting.
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Leave it. Leave it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Subhan, can you help?
I think the 180 is COD.
COD.
Yes.
Now, what is the difference between Ranveer saying BOA is an angle and you saying COD is an angle? I'm telling you, it is not an angle. It's a straight line.
Ma'am, he is asking that what is 180? No.
No, I'm not asking what is 180. I'm asking why are you doing 180 minus 30 on this angle?
Ma'am,
So he said supplementary angles. So I asked him, tell me which two angles are supplementary? Which two
Ma'am,
angles are supplementary to each other?
ma'am, I think COB and AOD.
COB and AOD are supplementary.
I think. I also don't know, ma'am.
COB and AOD. What are these angles?
I don't know.
Why
It's
you don't
one
know? Were you not in class all these days?
Ma'am, I
Tanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
हम इस angle को why are we doing 180 minus 30?
It is supplementary angle.
Which
And
are the two supplementary angles here?
there are two supplementary angles are angle AOC and
Ah.
angle COB.
Dhanya ho. Thank you. And if you are finding this angle by doing 180 minus this angle, it means this angle is supplementary, right? So which are the
Yes.
two angles that are supplementary? The two angles that are supplementary are BOC and COA. So if this angle plus this angle is equal to 180, then if you don't know one angle, you will do 180 minus 30 to arrive here. All the three of you had to tell me is these two angles are supplementary. That is why we are doing 180 minus 30. क्या इतने में confuse हो गए? At least one person in the class is not confused, which means at least one person in the class is paying 100% attention. Thank you very much, Tanishka. Ranveer, next question to you. If this is 30, what is this?
What?
If this is 30, AOD is 30, what is this?
Ma'am, 150.
Okay. Give me two reasons why this is 150.
Ma'am, first thing is it is a supplementary angle, so we'll do 180 minus 30.
Okay.
And second reason is it is that vertically opposite angles are always equal.
Which is this vertical opposite to?
Ma'am, it is vertically opposite to COA.
Okay. And where is it supplementary with?
Ma'am, what?
Which angle is this angle supplementary with? It's supplementing with some angle.
BOD.
Is supplementary with which angle?
BOD.
BOD is 150. It is 150 because it is 180 minus 30. This 30. So if BOD is 150, it is supplementary with which angle?
AOD.
Thank you. This is all I'm asking. This is all I'm asking. Okay. Now, one last property that we have to learn about transversal angles. transversal line. Angles formed by transversal line. Okay. Now, what are these two angles called? Now, this is a question to the full class. What are these two angles called?
Consecutive angle.
Consecutive angles.
Sorry, what?
Consecutive angle.
Consecutive angle.
Consecutive.
They are not consecutive angles. What is
Ma'am,
the
can you
full
tell
name?
us what transversal?
Eh?
Huh?
What are these two angles called?
Oh,
Interior consecutive angle.
Thank you. They are consecutive interior angles. Remember?
Yes.
The moment they are inside, the first word you will use is interior. The moment they are inside, the first word you will use is interior.
Yes.
Then find out what is the next one. Alternate hai, consecutive hai.
ma'am, consecutive interior angle.
They are consecutive interior angles. Okay. Now take out your book. Take out your notebook.
Yes.
One minute.
Draw this.
Ma'am, drawing, wait.
Scale.
Draw parallel lines AB and CD. Draw transversal P.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Put distinct points Q and R.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Okay.
Ma'am, wait.
All right.
Stop. Ma'am, we have to draw only or we have to write also?
You have to draw. First draw now. Let ma'am come and then tell what we have to do.
Drawn.
Draw kiya ki nahi?
Yeah,
Yes,
no.
ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done.
Kia.
Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180.
Huh?
Yes.
Interior
Should we write?
consecutive angles are always supplementary. Okay?
Ma'am, should we write?
Absolutely, yes. Yes, you have to write. Interior consecutive
Consecutive.
angles are
Or
Interior consecutive.
are always supplementary.
Ma'am, are always supplementary.
ठीक है. Interior consecutive angles are supplementary, which means
Always.
angle
Then
4
ma'am,
plus angle 5 is equal to 180.
Oh, yes.
Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180.
yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
far we studied all the angles that are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Interior alternate angles are equal. Okay. Then we had another one which are consecutive interior angles or interior consecutive angles. These angles are always equal to 180. Now I'll tell you the logic behind why they are 180. Quickly pay attention, don't talk in between. Okay. Now you will see why they are 180 and this logic will actually help you when you're in your class. Okay. Now, this angle, is it supplementary?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If this is say 80, does it look like 100?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what will be the measure of this one?
Same.
80 corresponding
Consecutive
angles.
angles are always equal.
Good.
Ranveer.
Sorry,
Corresponding
You're not
sorry.
applying logic. You're
Corresponding.
saying something that's coming to your mind.
Corresponding.
corresponding
This is
angles are
80,
always
this is 80 because they are corresponding angles.
angles.
If this is 80, this is 100, supplementary? Yes or no?
Yes, it's supplementary. 180.
Now, are these supplementary here also?
Yes.
Yes.
Is this angle 4 and angle 5?
Yes.
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 If this is 80, what is this?
It's 80.
Why?
80. Vertically opposite angles are always equal.
What angle is
180
forming here?
supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. 180.
Correct. Supplementary angles are forming here. Don't say 180, 180. Say supplementary angles. What is forming here?
Supplementary angle.
Ranveer, if you pay attention here, you will learn better. What is forming here?
Supplementary angle.
Supplementary angle.
180.
So what will be this measure?
100.
100.
Interior
Now see.
alternate.
180.
Now see. Interior alternate angles are equal?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Corresponding angles are equal?
Yes. Interior alternate angles are
consecutive
also
angles
equal.
became 180?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Very good logic.
Correct? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
From one number we can found right
Yes,
now.
you just need one angle if they are parallel lines and you can find all the others. If these are
Yeah.
parallel lines,
Cool.
if these are parallel
Awesome.
lines,
Wow.
okay?
Yeah.
Full
All right.
logic.
No.
If this is 80, what is this?
80.
Ma'am, 80.
Corresponding.
corresponding angles
If
are
this
always
is 80,
equal.
what is this?
80.
80.
80 interior consecutive angles are always equal.
Ranveer, you're confusing horribly. These are interior consecutive. This is interior alternative.
अरे,
तुम सीधा बैठ के ध्यान इधर दोगे तो you will be able to follow exactly what we are talking. Sit straight and pay attention here. Don't keep leaning on one side. You're losing focus. I'm going to start again. Subhan,
Yes.
I don't think I need to tell you, but I'm really tired. Stop fiddling with whatever you have in your lap and pay attention here. This is going to help you more. If this is 80, what is this?
80 corresponding angles.
Ranveer, if this is 80, what is this?
ma'am 80.
Why?
Ma'am, because corresponding angles are always equal.
Subhan, if this is 80, what is this?
Ma'am, what? 80.
Where are you, my dear? You're again searching something on the phone.
No. 80.
Then sit back and pay attention. Stop fiddling with the ID. If this is 80, what is this?
80.
Why?
Corresponding angles.
Really?
No.
What is this, bacha? Every time first answer you say something, then you say no, not that. You know why? Because you're not paying attention.
Interior.
If this is 80, what is this?
80.
Why?
Interior alternative.
Okay. If this is 80, what is this?
80.
Why?
Corresponding angles are always equal.
If this is 80, what will be here?
180.
This will be 180.
No, 80, sorry.
Measure of this space is 180. This full thing looks like this.
No.
Then why are you saying this is 180?
80.
If this is 80, what is this?
80.
Ranveer, if this is 80, what is this?
100.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because it is a supplementary angle that equals 180.
Can you name me the two angles that are supplementary here?
C and D.
Ranveer, can you name me two angles that are supplementary here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, DRS
Okay.
and AQP, PQA, sorry, PQA.
Ranveer, I'm asking you to name me two supplementary angles. Which is the one supplementing this?
Ma'am, CRS.
So then how come you go to BQR, BQA, something there? If it's supplementary, it has to be on the
Ma'am,
same
it's
line,
to
no?
the-
Ma'am,
If it is supplementary, it has to be on the same line, no? On the same side of that line. If it is supplementary, it has to be on the same side of that line, no? Only then
yes,
it will be
ma'am.
supplementary, no?
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more supplementary.
Wait, Tanishka, wait. Ranveer, name me the two supplementary angles. If this is 80, this is 100. Why?
DRS is 100 and CRS is 80. So they are 180.
Okay. Why are they 180? Because they are.
Supplementary angle.
Subhan, what is the measure here?
80. 100, sorry.
Subhan, why is it that every first answer is wrong? Please think and answer. What is the measure here?
100.
Why?
Ma'am, because it's supplementary angle.
It is supplementary with whom?
Ma'am, BQR.
This angle is supplementary with BQR. This one.
No.
If this is 100, this is 100. Give me 2 reasons why this is 100.
Ma'am, because it's supplementary angle.
It is supplementary with which angle? Supplementary angles means what, Subhan?
Ma'am,
Supplementary angles means what, Subhan?
Ma'am, supplementary angles which measure 180 degrees.
Which means there will be 2 or more angles together. They will all measure 180, right?
Yes.
Okay. So ये किसके साथ measure करके 180 हो रहा है?
D and C.
D and C. Is this an angle? Okay. I'll come back to you, Subhan. I'll come back to you. Ranveer, can you tell me the supplementary angle for this one?
Ma'am, QRD.
QRD is supplementary with?
With QRC.
This is why it is 180 and this is why if this is 80, this is 100. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ranveer, if this is 100, what is the measure here?
Ma'am, 100.
Why?
Ma'am, because alternate interior angles are always equal.
Okay. Tanishka, give me another reason why this is 100.
Ma'am, supplementary angle.
With what?
Ma'am, BQR, that 100 measure, and
It is supplementary with?
QRD, 80.
QRD.
Yes.
Okay. So if this is 100, this is 80. What are these angles called? This one.
Supplementary angle. And one more, ma'am, supplementary angle.
These two are supplementary for another reason. The measure of these angles complete as supplementary angles. But what are these angles called?
Interior and interior consecutive angle.
Thank you. What is the measure for this one?
100.
Subhan, can you tell me why this is 100?
Ma'am, because it's alternative angle.
Alternative angle to which one?
Ma'am, BQP.
DQ. This is alternative angle to this one.
No, it's sorry, supplementary angle.
Subhan,
It is
once again, why is the first answer wrong? Think and answer.
Sorry.
Take time.
Yes.
Why is
Ma'am,
this
the
100?
Ma'am, because it's supplementary angle with PQA.
PQA is 100. Why is it 100?
Ma'am, because it's supplementary angle.
With whom? With which one is it
Oh.
supplementary? By itself, how can it be supplementary?
PQB.
PQB. Give me another reason why this is 100.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say please?
There are three more reasons why this is 100.
It is consecutive angle.
It's an exterior angle. This is consecutive with which one, Ray? What are you talking? Ranveer, give me 2 reasons why this is 100. Other than it being supplementary here.
Okay. First is it is corresponding angle.
To which one?
to CRQ.
Very good. One more
QRC.
reason.
Um, 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 uh,
One more reason.
Ma'am, it is
Tanishka.
supplementary.
No. Other than supplementary and corresponding, give me one more reason why this is 100. Tanishka. Arey Baba. Keep your
Ma'am,
mics
alternate
open.
exterior angle. Alternate
Ma'am.
exterior angle. Alternate exterior
Alternate.
angle.
Yes, alternate exterior angle.
Ma'am,
One reason why this is 100.
Ma'am, there are 4 reasons.
Yes, tell me all
That's
the 4, Tanishka. Come on, tell me all the 4.
Ma'am, supplementary angle that Subhan said.
Yes.
Yes. Again, supplementary angle is a DQA and AQR.
Very good. Okay.
And one more reason, it is a corresponding angle
With what?
PQA and PQA and QRC.
Very good. Okay.
And third reason is its exterior alternative angle.
Excellent.
It is D,
One more.
and it is vertically opposite angle.
Excellent. Good job. मैं वहां क्लासरूम में होती तो तुम्हारी तरफ एक डेयरी मिल्क आ जाता. Good job.
Thank you.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
second
Very
reason.
good. Very good job. Ranveer, you explain to me. This is 80. Give me 5 reasons why this is 80.
Ma'am, first is it is a supplementary angle
With
PQA.
okay. 1,
Second, it is corresponding angle
2.
to QRD.
Very good. Second. Okay.
Then third is it is vertically opposite angle
2.
RQA.
Very good. Okay.
Fourth is they measure 180 to CRQ.
CRQ. Ah,
Ma'am, it measures 180 to CRQ. Wait, sorry. No, not that. Wait. It measures 180 to BQR.
BQR. Okay, good. Subhan, if you're going to keep fiddling with those things around, rubbing on the wall, touching your pens and pencils and checking whether the lids are proper, you will keep on getting confused. We are all repeating it before the question comes to you, but you want to fiddle with things around you.
Ma'am, it is 180 to BQR.
BQR. Okay, fourth point.
Next is it is alternate exterior angle.
इस बात पे तुमको एक eclair जरूर मिल जाता because you said this after Tanishka. क्यों Tanishka? Correct ना?
No.
Ranveer, don't worry, we always shared it.
Oh my God, you're such a sweetheart, my dear. Good. Chalo.
Cool, even I will share my eclair.
Oh, lovely.
Don't worry, I will share with you also. And Pranav, I will share with you. Pranav gone.
Okay, cool. Good.
Oh,
wow.
this is so cool.
We are all in photo frames. We are in photo frames because you all did a good job. Clap for yourself.
Ma'am, we are in the
Subhan,
Guinness Book of Record.
Subhan, the test that was there in the start of the class, you all did well, including Subhan. Okay. So Subhan, I just think you need a little more practice. You remember this image that we did? I will send it to you all. Please repeatedly check it yourself. कोई भी अपने हिसाब का angle बनाओ. Now try to do permutation and combination of why is this measure, why is this measure, what are they corresponding to, what are they alternate to, what are they supplementing, what are they vertically opposite, what are they consecutive to, everything you can check. Okay?
Ma'am, one thing, the transversal always has to be slanting like this, or can it be straight also?
Very good question. Very good question. Next class, I'm going to do that. But anyways,
What,
we have
ma'am?
time. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Quickly, I'll tell you that. I'll answer that question to you.
Ma'am, I can't see her neatly. It's looking so small that I can't see.
Wait,
Yeah,
just
ma'am.
change the view. I'll change the view. Wait. I'll change the view.
Ma'am, we were in photo frames. If Pranav was there, the photo frame would have been completed.
Yes.
Ma'am, see my video.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now listen to me carefully. Tanishka, listen to me carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Two parallel lines.
Yes.
Yes, two parallel lines.
Hmm.
Suppose this is straight. Essay.
Yes. P Q P R.
Ma'am,
Two
I asked this
parallel lines
question.
AB and CD intersected by transversal
By
PS at
the
two
PS.
distinct
Yes.
points Q and R. What will be the measure
Q
here
and-
if this is straight?
90
90
degree.
So if this is 90,
Complementary
what will it be
angle.
here?
90
degree.
complementary angle. Complementary.
90
Correct.
degree.
So if this is 90, what will it be here?
90 degrees.
90. Ma'am, everywhere 90 degrees.
Exactly. Everywhere it will be 90. Because if they are such perfect lines, they will just measure 90 all over.
Huh.
Okay? Provided they are parallel lines. अगर ये स्ट्रेट यहाँ पे इसको 90 में कट करता है लेकिन ये पैरेलल लाइन नहीं है, ये टेढ़ा जाता है, then we will have to find it out differently. Okay? Then there is another way to do it that we will start in the next class. All right? Got it? Got it so far? Understood so far?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing. If it is a
Huh.
straight line
Huh.
and two parallel lines are like going up like this, then
Two parallel lines are going up or down. They are parallel, so they'll be parallel only, no?
Yeah, they will be
yeah, so
always
if it's a
straight.
straight line like this and the parallel is like this, then
If one straight line is like this, how will the parallel be like this? Oi,
Parallel, you don't know the definition of parallel.
oh,
No,
sorry.
what-
Sorry.
No. It's always straight.
From such a good question, I asked such a stupid question.
and I'm wondering, is it time for you to have dinner?
Hey, ma'am, what are you? Oh, we are in an office.
Is
We are
it
in an
time for you
office.
to have your lunch? Sorry, is it your lunch
Yeah.
time? Is that why you're blabbering such
No.
questions?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. For such questions, I'll have to take you to the principal's room like this. For such questions, I'll have to take you to the principal's room. Ma'am, he's
Yes,
asking me if this is a straight line and the parallel line goes like this, then I'll be like,
what to do? Ma'am, ask Nihal ma'am with us. Ask Nihal ma'am with us.
Ask Snehal
मैम
ma'am
अब
with us.
मराठी लोगे
If,
Marathi या हिंदी?
if Snehal ma'am also has to come to the principal's room, then we will add her into the principal's room. Okay.
ये मैम का प्रिंसिपल
Oh, yeah.
मैम भाई सुबह ने
चलो, okay.